Okay, I'm going to show you what to do if this happens on your machine. You open it, and it goes to scan, and it gets stuck, and it won't load anything. So what you do is you go to this on your task manager, right click where it says open the machine right here. It says machine. It has 2 apps running. Open it, and right click on scan app, end the task. It's going to stop again. Do the same thing again. It's going to just keep going until you skip through all the VSTs that, for me, I deleted them. Like this started happening, I tried deleting them, and it's still trying to scan for them. So I'm going to try and figure out a fix for that in this video. If I can't, I'll make another video where I'll probably just have to reinstall this thing. But once you get past all this crap, keep going. There it goes. It just initialized. See, now 1 or more contact instances cannot be recalled, blah blah blah. Oh, I farted. You didn't hear that. Okay, so we're gonna go to preferences, plugins. Okay, so what I need to get rid of is everything in here, because not everything, but Vital. I don't use Vital anymore. TDR Nova, I don't use that anymore. Anything that's not Native Instruments, I'm removing. I'll probably end up re-downloading the Melda stuff because it's actually really good and it's free. All this M stuff is Melda. Those are all the VSTs that come with it. So just go ahead and uncheck everything. I think lo-fi space is part, and I don't know what magic is. I'm gonna go on my locations. Okay, that's fine. I don't need to. Oh, this is what you should do actually. Rescan. Scan everything. And then it should remove everything that's not there. I'm assuming. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've messed with, aftermarket VSTs outside of Native Instruments. Okay, you get the point. I should probably wait. I'm going to wait for this to continue to finish scanning all this stuff. And I'm going to just show you if it removes it off your list or not. I hope it doesn't get stuck. I think it got stuck. M-Wave folder. I don't even know where that is. I'm just going to cancel it. It's probably going to freeze on me. Wait for it to respond. My computer sat for 2 years, so it didn't. Okay, scan at end task. See how that was fixed right there? Waves local server. I don't even know what that is in that. Okay. There you go. Close.